Hi there. In this video, I'll be sharing various essential tools needed for writing a great essay. For detailed descriptions and insights on how each tool can benefit your essay writing process, make sure to check out down below. Let's get right into it. Let's kick off with writing and editing tools. 1. Microsoft Word. 2. Google Docs. 3. Grammarly. 4. Hemingway Editor. 5. Scrivener. 6. LaTeX. 7. Pro Writing Aid. 8. Whitesmoke. Next follows custom writing tools. 9. Essay Task. 10. Dedicated Writers. 11. Essay Boom. Coming up next, Proofreading Tools. 12. Ginger. 13. Language Tool. 14. Slick Write. Next up, Research and Database Access Tools. 15. Paper Research. 16. JSTOR. 17. EBS-SEO Hosts. 18. ResearchGate. 19. Google Scholar. 20. Swift Papers. And next, Note-Taking Tools. 21. Evernote. 22. OneNote. Next up, Productivity and Focus Tools. 23. Pomodoro Timer. 24. Trello. 25. Notion. 26. Freedom. 27. Cold Turkey. And here comes Collaboration Tools. 28. Google Drive. 29. Dropbox. 30. Slack. 31. Microsoft Teams. Here comes Citation and Bibliography Tools. 32. Cite This For Me. 33. EasyBib. 34. EndNote. 35. Zotero. 36. Mendeley. Here are some data analysis tools if your essay requires data interpretation. 37. Microsoft Excel. 38. Google Sheets. 39. SPSS. Here comes Comprehensive Plagiarism Detection Tools. 40. Turnitin. 41. Grammarly Premium. 42. Copyscape. 43. PlagScan. 44. PlagiarismCheck.org. 45. Unitcheck. 46. QText. 47. Small SEO Tools Plagiarism Checker. 48. DupliChecker. 49. Authenticate. 50. WriteCheck. Here are Feedback and Review Tools. 51. PeerGrade. 52. Google Docs Suggesting Mode. Here are Mind Mapping and Brainstorming Tools. 53. Xmind. 54. MindMeister. Next up, Outlining and Structuring Tools. 55. DynaList. 56. Workflowy. 57. Coggle. 58. MindNode. Next up, Advanced Project and Time Management. 59. Asana. 60. Basecamp. 61. Forest. Coming up next, Contextual and Stylistic Enhancement Tools. 62. After the Deadline. 63. Quillbot. 64. Readable. Next up, Tools for Non-Native English Writers. 65. Duolingo. 66. Babbel. 67. Cambridge English Write and Improve. 68. PaperRater. 69. Linguix. Next up, AI-based writing tools. 70. AI21 Studio. 71. Sapling AI. Here comes Style Guides and Manual Formatting Assistance. 72. Purdue OWL. 73. Style Writer. If you find these tools helpful, please consider sharing it with your friends or classmates. Sharing not only supports our channel, but also provides your peers with valuable resources that could make their academic journey a bit easier.